In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video in Capcut using your iPhone. Whether you're new to video editing or just need a quick refresher, we'll guide you through each step, making it easy to start editing your videos in no time. First, you'll want to grab your iPhone and open the Capcut app. If it's not already downloaded, simply head over to your app store and get it installed. Once you have the app open, you'll notice a clean and easy to navigate interface. There's so much you can do with Capcut, but today we're focusing on getting your video uploaded and onto your timeline, ready for editing. So let's start by tapping on the option labelled New Project. It's prominently displayed on the main screen, so it should be easy to find. Tapping this will take you directly to your camera roll. Here you can browse through all of your stored videos, scroll through your collection and select the video or multiple videos that you want to begin editing. If you have several clips that need combining or work, select them simply by tapping on each thumbnail. Selecting videos from your camera roll allows you to leverage the footage you've captured wherever you may be, providing a seamless transition from recording to editing. After you've made your selections, the next step is to tap Add. This action imports your chosen videos into Capcut's timeline. Think of the timeline as your creative workspace. It's where all the magic happens. This is where you can sequence your clips, trim down unwanted parts, and even merge different segments together to create a cohesive story. With your videos now sitting in the timeline, it's time to unleash your creativity. Capcut offers a wide variety of editing tools to bring your vision to life. You can make use of the split tool to cut your video into parts, allowing more precise control over what scenes to keep or eliminate. If you want to add dialogue or highlight a specific point, try using the text option. It provides a range of fonts and styles that can emphasize your message beautifully. Capcut also lets you overlay music and sound effects with its audio feature, which can enhance the mood or highlight key moments in your video. Looking to add some visual flair? Explore the effects section for filters and transitions that can elevate your project's production value, making your video truly stand out. Remember, video editing is as much about creativity as it is about technical proficiency. Experimenting with these tools can help you discover unique styles and techniques that work for you. So take your time to familiarize yourself with each feature Capcut offers. And just like that, you're ready to edit your video on Capcut. We hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to explore more of what Capcut can do. Happy editing!